Welcome to our video on the top 26 Cypress commands that will help you improve your test automation game. If you're using Cypress for end-to-end testing, you're already on the right path. But are you using it to its full potential? With Cypress, you get real-time feedback, automatic waiting, and a rich API that makes test writing intuitive. Let's dive into the essential Cypress commands every tester should know. First up, cy.get. This command fetches DOM elements using CSS selectors. It's the cornerstone of interacting with elements on your page. Example, cy.get, submit button, click. You can also chain assertions with, should or alias with, as to make your tests even more powerful. Next is cy.contains. This command finds elements by specific text, regardless of their position in the DOM. Use it when selectors are dynamic, like buttons or links. cy.click simulates a click on the selected element. Tip: add force, true to click on hidden elements. cy.type types into input or text area fields. Add delay, 100 to simulate slower typing. Use cy.select to select an option from a drop-down. This works for tags and handles options by label or value. cy.scroll allows you to scroll to specific parts of the page. Useful for lazy loaded content or sticky elements. Use cy.reload to reload the current page. Great for testing app behavior during full page reloads. cy.url fetches the current URL. Use it to validate route changes or redirections. Use cy.title to get the page title. Ensures that your page titles are correct after navigation. cy.visit lets you navigate to a specified URL. Pro tip: use with Bazel for cleaner code. cy.session optimizes login by catching user sessions. Significantly reduces test execution time by catching login states. cy.clear cookies and cy.clear local storage clean up between tests, avoiding state leakage. Place these in before or after each hooks for better test isolation. cy.window and cy.document access browser native objects. Use it to verify session or token-based data. cy.intercept intercepts HTTP requests and mocks responses. Use it with cy.wait to validate response times and content. cy.wait waits for a specific time or alias. Best practice: use cy.intercept plus cy.wait at alias for reliable synchronization. cy.request sends HTTP requests outside the browser. Great for API testing or setting up preconditions. cy.origin allows interaction with domains other than the app under test. Use this for workflows involving SSO or OAuth. cy.task executes Node.js scripts for backend processes. Useful for database seeding, email verification, or file handling. cy.readFile and cy.writeFile handle reading and writing files. Perfect for configuration or exporting test results. cy.screenshot captures screenshots during tests. Automatically takes screenshots on failure for visual debugging. cy.exec executes shell commands in the terminal. Great for CI pipelines, setup, or teardown. Cypress commands add defines reusable custom commands. Helps to follow the dry principle for repetitive tasks. cy.wraps objects for use in Cypress chains. Enables assertion chaining on non-DOM objects. then allows callbacks in test chains. Perfect for complex calculations or conditional logic. invoke calls a function on a selected element. Useful for manipulating jQuery elements. it accesses nested object properties. Making object-based assertions simpler. Mastering these advanced Cypress commands empowers you to build fast, stable, and maintainable test suites. Whether you're streamlining test execution with cy.session, validating backend processes using cy.task, or creating scalable custom workflows, each command brings you closer to effective test automation. Testrig Technologies offers robust Cypress automation testing services for modern applications. From framework setup to CI or CD integration, we ensure your QA process is fast, reliable, and scalable. Reach out today. Subscribe for more automation testing tips.